In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over like a scorching torch, or just basically a little small hand torch in general. And this is from the company Womeyork, I think is how you would say that. And looking at the back here, it says Womeyork outdoor cooking brulee. Tank not included. That's why I have the tanks here. And let me show you what goes with this, because one of the things I've seen a lot of people asking questions, what tanks it goes. It does not use the normal oil propane tanks. It uses these butane tanks. So I have the Olympia gas cartridge that has this type of fitting on it. You see that fitting there, and I will show you how that works. And then I have the little jet boil right here, and it uses that type of fitting. So let's open this thing up. Number one, it comes very nicely presented. Comes in, has a little like bag with it. Check out that wooden handle. The handle right there. This is the adapter for this type of fitting right here. Here's the actual torch itself. And then open it up, you get an extension down here. By the way, I've already opened this and used it. And then you get an igniter and a wrench. So let me show you putting this thing together. I'm going to use the extension on this. It has a gasket right there. Screw this down, hand tighten it, and then use the wrench. One good tighten turn on it. Same way on that. Screw that down. Where would this come in handy? Basically, I'm going to use it for starting my fire pit, but a lot of people could use this for steaks, hamburgers, things like that. So what I'm going to show y'all first, okay, let me show you first. You screw this in. Check it out. There's the jet boil tank right there. See how that works? You'll just turn this on. I don't want to waste my gas. I use this on my little jet boil stove. So we'll take that off. And what these are, take this fitting, screw this fitting in right here. And the way this fitting works, you see how when you turn it, see how it expands out? So watch this. So line that notch up like that and then turn this. It's on there. See how I turned the tank? Keep side up when inserted, and there you go. See, I have the tank on there. Now let me go ahead and ignite it and show you. Okay, everybody, I got it. I've got the tank screwed in there. I've got the nozzle. You see how all that looks. And then let's turn it on. Hear it. So this little igniter, you can kind of see how it works. A spark, you stick it down in there. This thing is flaming up big. Just so you know, it's got a big flame on it. Check it out. Look how fast it just flames this up. You could use this for grass. You can use this for starting your charcoal. A lot of different things. Let's say I want to burn some grass. See, I can burn this grass right here. It's a little handheld like blowtorch. That works perfect. Very impressive. Now, like I said, you can use this for searing steaks, hamburgers, or whatever. And I don't know how long these tanks will last, but you know what? They should last pretty good. I think this thing's gonna work out great. I don't know if you can see the flame in the camera there, but I'll leave links where you can get like some tanks and all that, just in case you're curious. You could order some, you know, some butane cartridges with this. And yeah, just to turn it off, you can turn it down. See how I turned it off? And there it is. You turn it off. And if I want to go shorter with it, I can take the extension off and have a shorter hose and then have it like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the little bluing, scorching, small blowtorch. See you all in the next video.